Y'all know what it is. We on day 4, baby. Let's get it. Today, we certifying the elbow lever, and that's holding it for 10 seconds. Straight out, straight back, straight everything, nothing bent. I think it's gonna be light work. I mean, I got it. Like, I know we got it, but the vids aren't really getting views like that. But we just gonna keep posting because I like doing this series, and that's the key of winning on YouTube or anything else. To do whatever it is consistently, not ultimately for the end result, but also because you love it. Alright, quick while I'm alone. No one else in here. I don't know how long this gonna last, so let me get this in quick. Yo, I don't know why though, but I'm gassed today. Like, I'm tired, like off rip. I needed a water break. I'm not even gonna cap. I needed a water break off rip, but we still gonna keep going regardless. I'm gonna hit 10 seconds. I think I'll work in some handstands too while no one's in here, because handstands be looking crazy, unless you know how to do it. I'm not there yet though. Okay, I want to learn how to do a handstand from like the frog. Like, oh, I almost face planted. But like, if I can do a handstand from like that pose, I'll be valid. Off because like your skin it grips. Don't make that sound crazy, but like it's like easier to keep your elbows, like they be sliding and stuff. If someone come in, I'll just put my shirt back on. My leg! Whoa! If I learned to do it if I learned the method I learned in the last video on day 1, I would have got it from day 1. This method is so valid, like it just makes it so much easier. Low key, I want to try it the other way. Yeah, that's way harder. The way I was doing it before. Hey yo, that was a W. That was a straight W. All right, y'all, like I said, real quick, there's an M550 right there, and then a 6 Series. Those are hard. I got my baby right here. Dog, W. Stop playing, y'all. That was a W. I know no one saw video. The first video got like 80 views. The second one got like 13. So I know no one really placed their bets, but if you are or do watch it in chronological order, day 4, that's when we got it. That's when we got it. From here, we're just going like perfect. You can always get better. So we not done. We just gonna try to keep getting better with it. Try to improve it. As always, y'all, stay blessed, stay tuned. I'm out.